Welcome back, friends. Tonight's tutorial is using Affinity, and we're going to create kind of like a sliced effect with some text. So I've got my new document here. I'm going to create a transparent workspace. So I'm going to start off by placing some text on my workspace. So I'll click my text and I'll place a text box on my workspace. In here, I'm going to type the word Canada in all caps, and I'm going to make that smaller like that, and I'm just going to try and place it in the center. I don't know, like I'm just like that, and let's change that text to something more exciting like Rockwell. All right, so now that we've got that, I'm going to make it a little bit taller. So I'm just going to stretch it a little bit like that. And let's place it right here like that. Maybe I'll make it a little bit taller like that. All right. So I'm going to slice this text basically using different multiple layers. So I've got my text there. I'm going to copy my text and I'm going to make 3 more copies. So here they are right here. Now my bottom layer, I'm going to change my bottom layer to be red. So I'm going to hide my first, my second, and my third layer. And I'm going to change my fourth layer to be red. So I'll just move that back here and I'll grab this one and I'll put it right there to create that kind of a shade. Okay, so that is my base layer. I'm now going to go to my third layer. I'm going to turn or unhide it. And as we can see, it's black. I'm going to come on over here to the cropping tool and I'm going to crop this. And I'm going to want to make this layer white, but I'm going to crop it. And I'm going to bring it down there and I'll bring this up like that. I'm going to go up here to my color chooser and I'm going to make it white. I'll go to my second layer. Now for my second layer, I'm going to leave it as black, but I'm going to unhide it so that we can see it. And again, I still have that cropping tool selected. So I'm going to bring it up from the bottom. And I'm going to start it where my white ends. And I'll come here and I'll make it thick, maybe like that. Maybe a little bit thicker, like that. I may make it thicker, I'm not sure, but I'll leave it like that for now. These layers, we can still go back in there and edit them, as opposed to if we were, using the knife tool, it would be permanent. We wouldn't be able to change it if we use the knife tool. So I'm okay with leaving it like that for now. Let's go back to our first layer now. I'm going to unhide that, and of course it's black. I'm going to change that to white. And again, I'm going to crop it, so I'll bring it up and I'll start it where my black ends, and I'm going to bring it down and kind of try and make it as wide as my other white one down there. And I think that's just about right. I kind of like it like that. So that is my final design of how we can put multiple colors in text or give it the illusion of a sliced text effect. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, if you want to change the height of those different layers, all you have to do is just click into those layers and then just adjust those layers as you need to. So if I click on a specific layer and then go back to the cropping tool, I'm going to get the option to make it, to uncrop it or to crop it some more. Anyhow, that is about it. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, press that like button, subscribe. If you want to learn more about Canva, most of my tutorials are about Canva. Subscribe so that you're first to be notified when new tutorials come out. For now, my friends, I will say bye-bye until next time. Bye now.